what are the future research directions are there, especially when we are doing the research. So as of now, we have discussed forecasting, time series data analysis, and various renewable energy resources, and how we can deploy the cyber security mechanism, especially for smart grid and for sustainable energy system. So according to future trends and research direction, that whatever the emerging technology, as I said, every technology now going to be involved with AI driven. That means the technology and trends, how we can manage the information which will be collected from the various sources in terms of sensors and devices, and how we'll make the our system, especially for electrical energy system, how we can involve the AI, and particularly the finally it will be helpful for in future. That will be the main part of sustainable technology. So renewable energy system, as of now we have seen like natural resources, like example of sunlight or wind, water or geothermal heat to generate the power sustainable. So renewable energy particularly offer cleaner and more sustainable alternative. That means it reduces the carbon emission. That is our main factor of all countries are working. We have discussed in the first session how different countries they have provided innovative ideas or related to encouragement for applying of sustainable technology, especially with respect to AI, and for reduction of carbon emission and promoting the energy security. So transition as will be there from renewable energy is very essential for reducing the greenhouse emission and mitigating the especially for climate changes and achieving the sustainable development. That is the main goal of our program, as we have given how sustainable technology involved with the help of AI. So global initiative, as we have seen in Paris Agreement, promote the clean energy. They adopted through the advancement in solar, wind, hydro, smart grid technology. And this decade is very crucial for transforming, especially for energy sector, by adopting the green energy and improving the efficiency by two factors: automation and artificial intelligence. And there are strong policies are applied by various government agencies, various policies developed by government. So that is needed to manage the complex changes on a single platform. That is the very important part. So according to our requirement, that means we'll see how AI will be involved, especially for energy policies for sustainable future. So global warming and sustainable development are one of the essential component for modern age and require the multidisciplinary measures. And sustainable energy has impact both regional and global level. That having the both impact, and we have to measure the energy poverty and sustainability. So we need to specific matrix, we have to provide indicators, we have to develop tools, techniques that can adapt the changes, especially for supply and demand. As we have seen, we are working for energy generation. So as of now, we are using mobile phone, we are using various technology. So if you are increasing the technology, like you are transforming from 5G to 6G, 6G to 7G, or your devices are also increasing day by day, your mobile memory are increasing day by day. So based on the memory, your power consumption requirement also increasing. Your power requirement also increasing. That means your demand is increasing. So demand, so based on the demand, we have to generate supply. So supply will be very important, but demand is more also important, because user are expecting in all devices will work when we'll have the sufficient energy with us. But you have to generate the energy, you have to provide the specific power, that means energy factors. So here AI will play very key role in modern energy policies, helping to improve the sustainability and fight the climate change. So energy policies include the rules and guidelines to control the how energy is produced, how energy is transmitted and shared and used, with limited flexibility of decision making. This is the one of the important factors. So energy policies focus on, there are key issues are there. What is the key issues we learned so far? Security, that is the last. Sustainability or affordability you are able to afford, or accessibility. So these are the factor is there. So energy policies, whatever the energy policies we have seen, so according to that, establish the goals, distribute the resources and regulate the energy use. So it promote the efficiency, support the renewable energy, overseas companies and funds research. So we have to provide the more fund to the research than we are able to do. So to prevent the failure of energy policies, it is very crucial to promote fairness, equality and particularly various factors are there like equity or inclusiveness in energy policy development and project decision making. So timely and effective measures are very important for preventing the policy failures. So we are going to integrate the machine learning and into energy policy, analyzing the efficiency factors, global management practices. AI will play very important role for policy development. AI ML will help make decision becoming more important in the energy sectors or in terms of energy or power system. So various challenges and opportunities presented by integrating the AI into energy sector. So far there is no clarity how we are able to develop or create and apply the policies for ensuring the fairness or equality or including the decision making. So therefore the goal is to create the clear guidelines that to combine the policy, combine the data science, combine the AI in engineering and combine the management, business and social methods to support the transition, clean energy and reduce the carbon emissions. So our final factor for sustainable development is clean energy and maintain the reduction of carbon emissions. And also it will be affordable to the user and society. So global energy landscape will see the 5,500 gigawatt for new capacity by 2030. So renewable on the rise, global renewable energy capacity skyrocket by the 5,500 by 2030, driven by the government policies, the technology and advancement, growing the environmental concerns. So this growth will require significant investment in research, in development, unlock the full potential of renewable energy resources. So what are the shift toward the renewable energy central to decarbonization, that efforts and achieving the global climate goals. So continuous investment in research that we are getting many funding. As Professor Mohan sir has explained how many projects he did with the support of many European countries. That agenda was that provide the research, provide the to improve the development, especially for address the challenges of grid integration and storage for renewable energy resources. So these factors are there like real-time monitoring, predictive analytics and grid integration. Already we discussed about that. We are going to provide the real-time monitoring. So various AI algorithms are responsible to monitor the data in terms of energy flow, in terms of predictive demand, in terms of fluctuation, optimization or distribution of efficient grid operation. Also predictive analytics, predictive maintenance given. The AI will helpful for downtime, reduce the downtime, optimize the performance of renewable energy installations, grid integration. So we are going to apply the AI grid. So AI powered system that can facilitate the integration of diverse renewable energy resources, including solar, wind and hydropower. So according to that, we are going to see the geopolitical dynamics in China's dominance in renewable energy expansion. So China has emerged as a global leader in the renewable energy, driving significant expansion with respect to solar, wind and hydropower. So technology transfer. China actively promoting the technology transfer, international cooperation in energy and aiming to influence the global energy landscape. Strategy implications. China dominates in renewable energy, present both opportunities and challenges, especially for country in terms of technology access and market competitions. So there are certain energies intersections for AI and sustainable energy technology. So energy efficiency is one of the important factor, smart grids another important factor, and renewable energy storage another factor. That means you have to deploy the AI for energy efficiency, for energy smart grids, and we have to integrate the AI into the power grids, and also it will work for real-time monitoring and control and provide the enhancing the reliability, stability and particularly for improving the renewable energy resources. So AI algorithms will help optimize the energy resource storage solution, ensuring the continuous supply of renewable energy. So according to that, nuclear power also is very specific part for the enhance and tripping output and future potential. So advanced reactors developed, like next generation nuclear reactors are being developed with enhanced safety features and carbon free energy and increase the output. So nuclear power experienced resurgence with global output expected to triple in the coming decades. Another case we can see here, AI driven energy demand, data centers and clean energy infrastructure. That means growing with respect to demand, with respect to renewable energy solution and energy efficiency. Policy frontiers, especially for financial and technological solutions for global sustainability. So here in this transition, a sustainable energy future require multi-faceted approach, combination of policy support, financial investment and technological advancement. These are the future trends are there. So energy transitions at the decarbonization scenario at the glance. So according to study, this electricity and hydrogen's share of the final energy consumption is estimated to reach 32% by the 2035, 50% by 2020 to 50. And electrification is the key in boosting the energy efficiency in building the and transport and industry. Electricity is used expected rise with respect to 20%, 40% by 2050. So renewable will become the standard, accounting by 50% of the power mix by 2030, 85% by 2050. The step for energy policy development, that means we can see here, these are the steps are there: ranking phase, consensus phase, formulation phase, conceptualization phase, assessment phase, or acceptance phase. So these are the certain phases are there. So step for policy development, these are the phases we have seen. This is the landscape for decision making building block for energy policy making. These are the energy policy scenarios are there, that will focus on low carbon energy, prioritize the data management, emphasize the environmental sustainability, explore the governance and decision making, and ensure the reliance and access to resources services. That is the, so how will AI will shape the future energy policies? So we have to apply the data driven methods, that is the operation and reliability can be improved, and solving the data driven machine learning model for iterative process to organize hierarchically and stage develop the model to support energy policies and outline future. So AI driven policy development building blocks are there, and this case data collections, energy policy development, AI and machine learning implementation, and monitoring and evaluations with respect to automation or with respect to other factors. So here this is the crucial component for an emerging approach for AI in terms of energy system: data platform infrastructure, AI algorithms, policy and regulatory framework, stakeholder engagement, and communication and dissemination. So related to that, these are the AI machine learning methods for deployed for integration, like classification, regression, time series forecasting, association analysis, clustering, anomaly detection, feature selection, ensemble methods, deep and transfer learning. All these kind of methods we have discussed: text mining, computer vision, natural language generations, dimension reduction techniques, reinforcement learning, generation methods, and network and graph methods. So there is a research gap in future direction, integration of AI in policy process, development of metrics and benchmarking AI applications, and particularly addressing the socio-economic impacts and exploration of energy system model, and especially for policy documentation processes. So various research opportunities are there. Advanced renewable energy technology, we have to work on that direction. Energy storage and battery technology, or smart grid and AI integrations, energy policies and market optimization. So AI driven policies for energy pricing and trading, policy framework for integrating renewable into existing grids, strategies and carbon footprint reductions and net zero, and decentralized and microgrid systems. So AI based optimization technique will be utilized for especially for microgrid distribution, and hybrid renewable microgrid for remote and rural electrification. So rural area electricity is very important, electrification and sustainable mobility. So AI driven optimization for electric vehicle charging, especially is wireless charging, vehicle to grid integration, hydrogen fuel cells and alternative sustainable transport solutions. So these are the certain research are available opportunities. Waste to energy and circular economy approaches are there, and energy efficiency AI based optimization, especially for AI based smart metering and energy consumption analytics, predictive maintenance for power system using machine learning, and optimization of industrial energy use and smart building. These are the research areas. People are doing research as per the availability of literature, hybrid energy systems and resilience. So AI assisted integration for hybrid and renewable energy resources, and advancement in fault detection and self-healing power. Already we discussed in the first class how self-healing power, fault diagnosis will take place with the AI, and sustainable matrix and life cycle assessment. So AI driven environmental impact assessment, development of sustainability performance indicators, policy driven approaches, especially for long term energy sustainability. So these are the factors which we have motivated us to work in terms of sustainability for clean energy, as well as particularly to reduce the carbon emission and maintain the global warming and other factors. So this is the analysis we have seen. These are the research opportunities are there. So that's all from my side, and so I have completed my part. Thank you, one and all. Any query?